In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add or remove decimal places in your Looker Studio reports. Let's dive right into it and make those numbers look just the way you want them. To start, you'll need to open your Looker Studio report in edit mode. This gives you full control over how your data is presented. Next, take a look at the chart or visualization that contains the number you'd like to format. Maybe it's a sales figure that needs fewer decimals, or a detailed metric where you need to see a bit more precision. Whatever it is, click on that specific visualization to select it. Now, over on the right side of your screen, you should see the Setup panel. This is where all the magic happens. Within this panel, look for the field or metric that you need to adjust. It's usually the main number that's front and center in your data story. Once you have your field identified, go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a series of options, including a handy drop-down menu labeled Display Format. When you click this, you're going to see a few different categories like automatic, number, and duration, among others. For our purposes, you'll want to select number. This selection is key because it will unlock the ability to control decimal places precisely. After selecting number, you'll notice a new option appears: Decimal Places. This is where you can easily set how many decimal places you want to display. If you want no decimals, you can set this to 0. Need more detail? Go ahead and choose 2 decimal places or whatever suits your needs. It's flexible to help you tell the right story with your numbers. There might be occasions when the chart doesn't initially show these formatting options. Not to worry. Simply open the Style or Visualization menu, which can be accessed by clicking on the gear icon. Some visuals have their formatting settings housed in this section, giving you added flexibility. Now, here's a tip to keep in mind. If you find that after adjusting your decimal places, the formatting disappears, don't panic. Just reapply your desired display format. It's a known quirk in Looker Studio. These little workarounds can save you time and frustration, ensuring your reports look polished and professional. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly adjust decimal places in your Looker Studio reports, giving you complete control over how your data is displayed. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your data reporting skills.